In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a timer in Notion. We'll walk through a simple flow, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to start tracking your time inside a Notion workspace. This is especially useful if you're managing projects, tasks, or client work, and want a quick way to see how long things actually take. First, open your Notion page where you manage your projects and tasks. This might be a database view, like a table or board, or a dedicated project page. Once you're there, look towards the upper right area of the screen. You should see an option or button related to starting a timer. Depending on how your workspace is set up, this might appear as a Start Timer button, an icon, or an integrated time tracking control added by an extension or integration. Go ahead and click on that Start Timer control. As soon as you click it, a small window or panel will appear prompting you to fill in some details. This step is important because it gives structure to your time tracking and makes the data useful later. Typically, you'll be asked to enter the task name or select an existing task from your database, choose the related project, and maybe add a short description of what you're working on. If there's an option to categorize the work or tag it, it's a good idea to use those fields, especially if you will be reviewing or reporting on your time later. Take a moment to make these details clear and specific. For example, instead of writing work, you might write drafting project proposal or bug fixing for website. This makes it much easier to understand your time logs at a glance. Once everything is filled in and looks correct, look for the button labeled Done. This is usually at the bottom of the panel or window. Clicking Done confirms your settings and officially starts the timer. After you press it, you should see some indication that the timer is running, such as a small timer display, a changing time counter, or a status label near your task. From here, you can continue working while the timer runs in the background. When you're finished with the task, you'll typically return to that same timer area to stop it or log the entry, depending on how your setup works. And that's all there is to it. Click the timer in the upper right, fill in your task details, and hit Done to start tracking your time in Notion.